Hello everyone and welcome to the last section from the course Level Up Your Photoshop Web Design Skills. The name of the first video from this section is Using External Plugins and Libraries. So basically, if you want to convert your project in Adobe Photoshop into a format that can be used in the web environment, you need to install some additional plugins in order to save a lot of time and effort without manually converting your PSD files into files from HTML5 format and to combine them after that with the layer styles from Photoshop converted to CSS3. So in this video I'm going to talk a little bit about my top 3 plugins that I'm using for exporting PSD format files for web design and converting them into HTML5 and CSS3 structures. Very easily, time-saving and very cost-effective. So the first one that I'm going to present is actually called ExportKit. So complete enterprise-level projects and crystal clear code converted from your creative design without the headache of knowing each technology. ExportKit creates a full working project in your supported environment with feature-rich content and functionality that works out of the box. So it means that this magic plugin is going to convert your static web design project layout from Adobe Photoshop into a fully functional website with HTML5 structure combined with styles from CSS3. So I'm going to quickly take a look at the website. So this is the official website of this plugin, ExportKit. From here, from the section downloads, you can select the version of the ExportKit plugin that is going to fit your Photoshop version. So you can download it on Adobe Exchange for versions from CC 2015 to CC 2019, which you're going to probably use most commonly. And of course, here we have some additional information about the way you're going to install these plugins, how to customize it and how to work with it. There is extended file that explains you the way you're going to actually work with this ExportKit plugin. And of course, here are somewhere described the most commonly used features. Go from design to interactive, quickly prototype feature-rich apps for all devices and environments. So here you can see that it works not only with Adobe Photoshop, but also with InDesign, Adobe Illustrator, and other products from the Adobe Creative Cloud. So you can expand your user experience design when you use the ExportKit with Adobe XD. And you also have the option to collaborate with team members worldwide. So this is a great option that, of course, some other plugins are offering to you as well. The second plugin that I'm going to present in this video is called CSS3PS. And here are some of the main features the authors of this plugin are revealing for us. First of all, evidence. You can easily see the converting results online in your browser. Multiple layers. You can select several layers and groups of layers and convert them in one click. Prefixes. We support prefixes for all popular browsers. For example, WebKit for Safari and Chrome, Moz for Mozilla Firefox, MS for Internet Explorer 10, and etc. Blending. For now only normal mode supported, but we will add other blending modes soon. This is a promise. And size. We convert size of layers, shape or bitmap to CSS format, width and height properties. So this is very useful when you, for example, want to export the layer styles of your project into a CSS3 format. Otherwise, without using this plugin, it is going to be a headache for you to achieve the results that this free plugin is providing to you. And last but not least, Avocode. This is a complex solution for sharing design files, discussing changes, and code websites, mobile apps, or newsletters faster. But also it is going to include the Google Fonts to your Photoshop environment, and you're going to easily be able to select the specific font from the Google Fonts library, which is very useful when you're doing creative design works in Adobe Photoshop. So one of the biggest benefits of this plugin is it is synchronizing designers and developers in one universal tool. And as you can see from the image on this slide, it is combining Photoshop with Adobe XD and Adobe Illustrator and of course other products from the Creative Cloud together. And this allows you to build a real web design working environment for your bigger projects and future projects as well. So why is it important? External plugins and libraries are useful for exporting your web design projects into a fully functional form. And in this video you have discovered 3 of the most commonly used plugins for Adobe Photoshop, namely ExportKit, CSS3PS and Avocode.